by Jill Lynn Donahue. Illustrated by Stacy Previn. Being brave means facing your fears. Brave people do the right thing, even when it is not easy. Brave people may feel afraid sometimes, but they do what needs to be done. There are many ways to be brave. The doctor says Alexa needs 2 shots. Alexa doesn't like shots, but she knows they will keep her healthy. Alexa is being brave. Cass and Danny are afraid of spiders. Cass catches a spider in a cup and takes it outdoors. Cass is being brave. Eddie's friends think it is cool to take off their hats while waiting for the bus. Eddie knows his friends might tease him, but he leaves his hat on. Eddie is being brave. Anna and Joy don't like eating fish, but at the World Food Fair, Anna tries sushi. Anna is being brave. Tim is worried about his first trip on an airplane, but he holds his mom's hand and gets on the plane. Tim is being brave. Ben wants to ride the roller coaster with Tyrone. Even though Tyrone is afraid, he decides to try it. Tyrone is being brave. Enrico doesn't like talking in front of his class. He takes a deep breath and tells a funny story. Enrico is being brave. The fire alarm goes off at school. The students listen to their teacher and quickly leave the building. The students are being brave. Juana is afraid of hospitals, but she knows her visit will brighten Grandpa's day. She goes to see him in the hospital. Juana is being brave. Hannah has never been to the dentist and is scared that it will hurt. She sits still while the dentist does his work. Hannah is being brave.
How did you like this book? Did you like, how many stars you would give it? Great, I think we should give it 4 stars too. Now let's take the quiz. Cass and Danny were afraid of A. Spiders, B. The dark, C. Bats, or D. Big dogs. What was Cass and Danny afraid of? A. They were afraid of spiders. Awesome job. Eddie's friends thought it was cool to A. Take their hats off while waiting for the bus, B. Throw snowballs at cars while playing at the park, C. Tease the new boy in their class, or D. Make fun of their teachers in school. A. Take their hats off while waiting for the bus. Good job. What did Anna do at the World Food Fair? She tried sushi. B. She shared her pizza with Joy. C. She asked for a recipe. Or D. She made German food. Awesome job. Yes, she tried sushi. Even though Tyrone was afraid, he decided to A. Climb to the top of the tower, B. Ride the roller coaster with Ben, or C. Jump into the deep end of the pool, or D. Go out on a boat with Enrico. So what was Tyrone afraid of? Great job! He was afraid to ride the roller coaster with Ben. Why did Juana go to the hospital? Did she learn to learn about being a doctor? B. To take flowers to a friend, or C. To visit her grandpa, or D. To have an operation? Great job! To visit her grandpa. How did you like the book? 4 stars, one of the best. Good job! You got 100%.